Over the years, we have developed a greater understanding of the environmental impacts around dairying and why we need to protect and restore the ecosystem. Without a thriving Mother Earth or Papatūānuku, we will not have a thriving cooperative. We are an intergenerational business with a strong desire as guardians or kaitiaki to pass down the land in a better condition to the next generation. Back in 2003, we set our first energy targets and began funding research into measuring on-farm emissions. In the last few years, we've really ramped up our support for our farmers with detailed farm environmental plans and on-farm GHG emission reports. We've put in place incentives to reward environmental performance through our Cooperative Difference program. We know that sustainability is a long-term journey and we can't do it alone. We've been collaborating with our networks and partnerships on solutions that we can help develop and implement together, such as supplementary animal feeds, consumer research across key markets, launching carbon zero certified products, and investing in renewable energy sources for our sites. By 2025, we're aiming for all our packaging to be recyclable, reusable, or compostable, and zero waste to landfill across manufacturing sites. By 2030, a 30% reduction in greenhouse gas emissions for our manufacturing operations, and by 2050, we want net zero in these emissions. With nearly 20 years in sustainability and over 100 experts across our cooperative, you can leverage our expertise across the value chain, from the way we support and encourage sustainable best practices with our farmers, through to energy-efficient manufacturing, sustainable packaging, and consumer product launches, helping you achieve a competitive advantage, aiding business continuity, resilience, and unlocking new growth.